Our concern is to do everything possible for them to get a job. And once we achieve that, that's a very rewarding experience. We prepare them for the world of work. We train them for interviews.
We help them do their resume. They send us, what they know and who they are and what they did before. And we put it in a plan. You have to mention that, how good I am, what career-driven I am, that I know my skills, that I've done this before. And that's what I do. I highlight and I bring to the surface and make them shine. That's my job.
According to the courses that we teach here, we go to each particular employer and basically make a presentation to them and tell them this is what we have, and then we begin sending our students over.
And it's very important to have a company that works with you, because then you're going to get a good job. They know they're getting a student that's already trained in the field and knows what they're doing.
We're basically feeding into the fabric of the community. As it continues to expand, these are skilled individuals that are going out into the community.
We adapt to students and we love our students. You want to show them what's right. You want to make sure they're on the right level, in the right course.